Morning guys, so this morning we're going to do a little Electronium update for you. So this morning looks like we've got a nice 18% bounce so far. So we'll have a look at the chart and see why that is. So the two levels I'm really interested in is on the daily chart, this resistance line above us, about 0.015 cents. You can see that it was resistance. Once it broke, it had a real big push, came back down, got tested again, and then broke it and came back into this level then. So that's an important level I'm looking at to get up. If we want higher prices, we want to get above this level. And then looking down why we bounced here. And if we look, if we just zoom in a little bit, we can see that this is acted as support. It's bounced off it, it's bounced off it, bounced off it, bounced off it, but then it broke, got the retest, and then stayed below the level. So kind of in this range at the minute. So this is the range we're looking at, and this range is, this is not a small range. This is 105% range. So let's just drop down into the 15-minute and have a look. So you go in the smaller time frame and you can see that this daily level of support below us, it's showing us even on the 15-minute time frame that once it's broke, it retested and it's held before it made its move. Just got short, didn't quite make it onto that exact daily level there before it came back down. But once we've come back down and hit this daily level again, we have bounced again. I mean, as we speak, we're just showing a bit of a wick on that candle. I'll tell you why I think that level might be the reason we might just be stalling for at the minute. But we can clearly see that we obviously got some support pretty much in this area. This is when we made the move the other day on the news of this digital British pound. We've got a retracement, bounced off here, bounced off it with support, bounce, and then it's broken. So we're just coming back into that region, or this region that we've had some action before. So it looked like we were going to break up. But there is, like I said, there is resistance. We've just tried to make that push up this morning, just literally now actually. But it's not what I want to see really. If we want to push on higher, we want to break that. But that's let's just see what that is. Wow, you see, it's nearly a 6% drop just since we've started recording, really. So that's the level. That's the first level. If we can get back above here, we want to get it up here. Oh, not that side. Want to get up here, retest it as support before we can have any chance of maybe going on, and see if we could have another test of this level up here. Nice to see if we can get a test of that range again up that top. But this morning, a lovely bounce off this level down here. So we bounced off here this morning. Want to get the right tool. So off this daily level down at the bottom, we bounced 30% again. Some of these moves at the minute are huge, and it's because we've had so much of a pump into this area, and we've had such a pump, such a recline, that we're creating such a large range. So the moves are really big. I mean, if you're a holder and you're just collecting, then it's it's irrelevant really. It's you're here for the long term, so just stick and hold. But if you're a trader, I do both. I'm a long-term holder, and I will always accumulate down at these prices. Every week I'm accumulating, but I do like to trade some, so I may take some off at these levels, important levels, and then rebuy back in. I mean, I didn't do it on this one, but like I say, you know, you get $100 move, sorry, 100% move. If you take some off the table, you can always rebuy on the pullbacks. It depends on why you're holding Electronium. Are you a trader or a holder though? So you got to be careful. You got to know what you're doing as well, because you don't want to start selling things off up here, thinking, oh well, I'll buy it back when it comes back down, and then it breaks up, comes up, and then boof, off we go to the moon. So if you're not very experienced, then I would just hold it. So yeah, so nice little move this morning. See if we can hold above this level. If we can hold above this level, we might get a bit more upside. Like I say, but there is this resistance line up here about 0.015. That'll be key. You know, we can start breaking above there, then we can see some higher prices. But for now, we are literally in a range, and it's quite a big range, and we'll see how it plays out. Okay, see you later.